there, and welcome back to Sound Codex. Today, quick video on how to load and play your own samples within the Bespoke Synth drum player. So I'm going to create one. We enter the edit mode. And as you probably know, by default, Bespoke loads the 808 drum kit over here. We can have a quick listen. Great. Now, if you want to add your own samples, you simply need to drag and drop them within each pad. So here, snare or tom high. And as simple as it is. If you want to add multiple samples, you can select multiple items, drag and drop them within the drum player, and they will be placed one after the other, which is a very handy feature. Last but not least, as you probably have noticed, we have this random button that works with the standard 808 drum kit only. If you want to make this random option work properly with your own samples, you simply need to locate the Bespoke Synth folder, not the one that contains the actual application, the other one. Mine it's inside Documents, Bespoke Synth. You search for Drums folder, and here you have your 808 kit with all subdirectories for each individual sample type. We need to edit this drums file, which is a JSON file. You can use any text editor. I'm going to use VS Code. At the very end, under directories, you add a comma and you specify the name of your custom folder. So I'm going to create a folder like my kit. I save, and now within the same folder of this JSON file, you create a new folder with the same name you wrote within the text file. It was my kit. You import your samples in here. So I'm going to select random ones, snare, tom low. That's it. So you can copy and paste them. And here I have my 909 samples inside the folder called my kit. In order to make these changes work properly, you need to restart Bespoke Synth, and this is what I'm going to do right now. So see you in a few seconds. Okay, so now you simply need to select one of any of these pads. You can select the drop-down menu and you'll see your own drum kit folder or sample folder. You select it, you can press random, and as you can see, we have my Roland 909 sounds. And the random feature works perfectly. And that's it for today. So I really hope this video was useful for you. If so, as always, I invite you to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. And bye.